Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 15. Tachimasu, stand up. Suwarimasu, sit down. Tsukaimasu, use. Okimasu, put. Tsukorimasu, make, produce. Orimasu, sell. Shirimasu, to know. Sumimasu, to live, to reside. Kenkyoshimasu, to research, to study. Shiteimasu, know. Sundemasu, live, reside. Osaka ne sundemasu, live in Osaka. Sherio, materials, data. Katarogo, catalog. Jikokuyo, timetable. Fuku, clothes. Seihin, products. Sofoto, software. Senmon, specialty, field of study. Haisha, dentist. Porigaido, theater, ticket agency. Dokshin, single, unmarried. Tokone, specially. Omodesimasu, remember, recollect. Gokazuko, your family. Irashaimasu, be honorific equivalent of imasu. Koko, senior high school. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!